It's not just a place where people congregate and share ideas, it's an entrepreneur hub that provides the resources for passionate students to kickstart their entrepreneur journey. We have several programs at the basement, including Blackstone LaunchPad, Innovating for X, and Entrepreneurial Workshop Series, where people gain fresh perspectives on approaching business challenges and helps with their entrepreneur journey. These programs are some of the best ways to make a powerful impact in the community. There really isn't any other place like the basement, and the participants, the students, and the staff are also welcoming, and I really enjoy coming into the basement every day. The basement is a place to be able to discover other things outside of the classroom and to be able to work on your strengths and weaknesses outside of your comfort zone and apply things you've learned in the classroom to the real world.